Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to the channel Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you my peanut butter and jelly hack. I don't care what kind of peanut butter you use. I don't care what kind of jelly or bread. The key is bread preservation. So when you make your peanut butter and jelly and you pack it in the lunchbox, you send it off with your kid for school, the jelly always gets the bread soggy after a few hours. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Super simple. I don't know why everyone doesn't do this. So you take your peanut butter. I really don't care how much peanut butter you use. You just need to take your peanut butter, put it on one slice of bread, just like you normally would. See how the peanut butter is sealing the bread. Look at that. And then take some peanut butter and do it to the other side. Perfect, right? Now you have a totally nice sealed bread on both. Now I'm going to take some jelly. Use a spoon, that's always easy. See, the jelly can be like runny. This is grape, by the way. I love strawberry and grape. Okay, spread it on. Perfect. There. This sandwich is ready to go to school. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. It's really good.